Oh, I can hear it. The flame.
Oh yeah, you can really hear it. When I first had it on fire, it was really loud. And it like lit up the whole thing. It was like, hot! Because this is like keeping the... And I can do these fancy things. I have to make sure I don't light myself on fire. Usually I have a spotter. Find that flat space.
Cool.
Are you wearing fire-resistant clothing?
Cotton.
So
That's pretty good though. Cotton's good.
It won't melt your skin. Yeah. You sure you don't want a spotter?
Cool.
fireman standing by.
I have a fire extinguisher.
I can get my super soaker from the trunk.
Yeah, there you go.
Unfortunately, it has alcohol in it right now for super soaker shots.
Nice one. Yeah, remind me not to ask you to be
Worst
safety.
volunteer
Worst fire
firefighter ever.
Epic fail.
I do that. My daughter just says, that looks ridiculous, Mom, and I don't know what it is, but she does. She goes, Mom, I think you should stop doing that. That looks just so stupid. But I'm not 60. To me, it's totally like I'm resting in between stuff. This is a neck wrap.
That's awesome.
And there's like the windmill. That's the back thing.
Ooh, that's cool.
Oh yeah.
That's a little bit more like, I wasn't sure if I had enough clearance. There's like some things I'm really not sure if I have enough clearance.
It's so cool listening to the sound. And like the flame just sort of like gets smaller while she does that. So have you ever tried like throwing it up in the air and catching it?
Not here though. I do, but it just seems like there's too many things I can.
Yeah, there's trees and
Yeah, it's just, But yeah, in the open.
takes a lot.
Yeah, no problem. Doing my best, playing my part.
Or toss it to you.
Worst spectator ever.
Have you ever tried throwing it close to houses?
Yeah. You ever tried spinning it to the song "Burning Down the House"?
Oh, no, I love that song. I should. Yeah, it's like dying.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Now, if you spin it too fast when you put it out,
You have to spin it really, really fast. No, as it's getting lower like this,
right?
I've never been able to spin it out. If you
Okay.
do it way better, it'll go off by itself after a while.
Oh yeah, because
But it's like
yeah.
baby
Just look easy.
Yeah.
Is that Stephen Hawking?
This is Daft Punk. I think, no, wait a minute. Who's this? No, this is Benny Cognitive thing. Oh, yeah. It says you need more fuel.
Nice.
That was awesome.
Thank you, Wendy.
Woo!
You're welcome.
That was really good. That was cool.
And you have the T-shirt too, so
Yes.
you're dressed to act.
Thank you.